In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an attendance tracker in Microsoft Excel. This guide will show you everything you need to create a clear, efficient tracker that will help you manage attendance smoothly. First, let's get started by opening Microsoft Excel. Once you have Excel open, you'll want to select the range of cells where you want your attendance tracker to be. For instance, these could be cells in a row or a column depending on how you wish to organize your data. Once you've selected the cells, press the keys Alt, H, L, and N in sequence. This combination will help you set up conditional formatting, which is crucial for visually tracking attendance. On your screen, you'll now see a pop-up window. Here, change the style to icon sets, which will help visually differentiate between attendance states using the icons you choose. Next, take a moment to select an icon style from the drop-down list that suits your needs and preferences. Once you've chosen, you'll need to define the criteria that these icons will represent. Set the type to number to ensure that Excel interprets the data in a structured way. For the icons to represent correctly, provide values for your conditions, input 1 for the first value and 0.5 for the second one. Be sure to tick on the Show Icon Only option. This will display only the icon without the numbers, which can help keep your tracker clean and visually organized. Finally, click OK to apply these settings. To automate the counting of attendance, we'll be using a formula. Begin by typing an equal sign, which signals to Excel that you're entering a function. Then type COUNTIF. As soon as you start to type, you'll see a drop-down. Double-click on COUNTIF from this list to select it quickly. Now, go ahead and select the cells that will hold your attendance data. Once selected, press the comma to separate arguments within the formula. After the comma, you'll need to type the digit 1, indicating that you're looking to count instances marked as 1, which we'll use to represent present. Go ahead and hit the Enter key to apply this formula. You can then apply the formula to the entire cell range where you will be entering attendance data, ensuring that it automatically updates as you input new data. When entering attendance data, you'll use the number 1 to signify that someone is present and 0 to show they're absent. By using these simple numerical entries, you not only maintain consistency, but also make the tracker functional and easy to manage. Through these steps, your attendance tracker is now set up, making it straightforward to keep track of attendance efficiently. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel confident in setting up your own Excel attendance tracker.